Nakarating na ako.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are okay. Dahil meron tayong 3 araw na sunod-sunod na holiday, ito yung fine mammoth tusk carving of the Great Wall na talaga namang agaw atensyon at attraction sa sa Grand Lisboa. Sabi niya dito, it's carved from top-grade mammoth tusk. It took 6 years by more than 10 experienced craftsmen to create, including on-site surveying, research, examinations at the Great Wall of China. The carving portrays the everyday life of the locals and the scenes from Shanghai Guan to Jianyu Guan in exquisite details. With its lifelike appearance, perfect proportions, and fine details created by superb craftsmanship, it is an outstanding and magnificent artwork. Hinanap ko kung magkano tong mammoth tusk carving na to, pero hindi nakalagay. Pati kung kailan to nagawa, yung mga gumawa nito, unknown ang nakalagay. So, hindi siya na talagang nakalagay sa record. Anyway, yung mammoth tusk na lang ang i-discuss natin. So, na-research ko guys kung ano nga ba yung mammoth tusk na yan. Ano nga ba yung mammoth tusk? So, magugulat kayo. So, ni-research ko magkano nga ba ang isang mammoth tusk. Ito ay nagkakahalaga ng 10,000 US dollars. So, ganun siya kamahal. Yung mammoth tusk lang. Yung mammoth tusk na yan. Pero, meron pang mas mahal. Pupwedeng ang isang mammoth tusk mula sa isang elephant ay pupwedeng magkaroon ng halaga na $100,000. Ganun kamahal. So, akala ko noon guys, ang mammoth tusk, ito yung sungay ng any hairy mammals sa elephant family. Hindi pala siya, no? Ito ay actually, tusks are extra long front teeth or incisors. However, mammoths did not use them to eat. Instead, they used them to dig in the ground for food, rub bark from trees to eat, and fight one another for territory and mating. Akala ko sungay kasi sobrang haba at laki. Yun pala guys yung front teeth ng elephant or any mammal sa elephant family na ganun. Here's another mammoth tusk carving at ito yung fine mammoth tusk carving of the Monkey King. So ito naman ay parang single lang siya. Isang ngipin lang siya, unlike dun sa kabila na magkabilaan. Parang ito yung tinatawag na ivory ata. Pero yan minsan kasi ang tawag din sa tusk ay ivory.